9:55, no 9:54 it is, 10th July, and tomorrow I am going to get DJI Osmo Pocket 3 finally. I wanted this since so long, but maybe I could have ordered a few days ago, but then this Prime Day sale was about to go live, which is not yet live. It is going to go live from 12th, but Prime members get early Prime deal or something like that.
The next day.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's the next day. Yesterday I just tried to vlog, but then phone storage just gave up, so I cleared some storage. I need some lip balm. I should go with this. Yes, so yesterday the phone storage was full. Yesterday I was just talking about, don't come at me, this is not lip balm of course, but I want some tint on my lips. By the way, you guys, can you just notice my hair? My hair color especially, not the haircut. Can you see? I don't know. I colored my hair and it is this. It's chocolate, 535 chocolate casting creme gloss from L'Oreal. They sent it to me, so I just tried it. I was actually thinking to like maybe change the color of my hair. I was thinking I'll just do more like red and do what do we call, that's what I was planning to do, but then they sent it to me and I was like, okay, let me try it. But here I think it's on me, not the color. I applied a little too much here, and given that this part of the hair is like quite thin, the color is shown up too much, especially here. So it'll take time for me to just like get adjusted to that. And guess what, I have a lot to talk, I have a lot to tell you all. A lot's been happening around me these days. It's 11th of July, and I don't know when this vlog is going live. I just started filming out of nowhere because I wanted to show you all something and I wanted to talk a lot with you all. And to begin with, I want to show you all something that I got. I haven't disclosed about this to anyone, like so far nobody. I mean, of course my family and friends do know about it, but not online, not even Instagram and not Snapchat. Ta-da! I got myself a MacBook Pro. This is 32 GB MacBook Pro. Finally, I got a MacBook Pro. I wanted to get this since so long, okay, like so long. This was like my dream laptop that I wanted to get, and technically this would be like my first laptop. By the way, this is second hand, not the new one. I always wanted to get a second-hand MacBook. I mean, like new I wouldn't mind, but still a second-hand MacBook would also work as great as a new one. The second major thing is I just received it today, like I said in the vlog yesterday night. Look at this. I mean, what? I ordered the creator combo. I haven't opened it yet, and I am super excited for this. Even this I wanted to, I mean, like both together I got this because I want to upgrade my YouTube game. I wanted to invest something for YouTube so that I can be consistent. I thought this is the Osmo, but this is the case. Okay, let me open this later. I want to open this like this. It's right here. My goodness, it's literally it's smaller than this. We'll We'll just see what's all in the box. That is Osmo Pocket 3. One is protective cover, handle with 1/4 thread. This battery, oh, this is the battery, nice. A mini tripod, the USB cable, the carry bag, and DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. Oh, it's right here. Windscreen, wide angle lens, and a wrist strap. It's right here. Okay.
A few moments later.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning, and look what is here with me. I'm vlogging for the first time with this camera. Yesterday we did take it outside to check in low light because it was already night, and I'm pretty impressed so far. It's really good in low light. And now also I have zero lights on. Like, look, this is how it looks. Don't mind the mirror. How do you like it?